Hey, it's easy. When you open the software, here it is. Keep an eye out for me with millimeters. Then I click to get inside. You have to change the unit. It'll have this inch. All of this stuff, it's best that I do. It should be used. Click on the millimeter to get it right in there. I can't reset it. Then later I will. Instructions for creating a standard wristband. In the course, in this class, it is best for you. Within the first week or so, you shouldn't watch it on YouTube. Don't watch YouTube. It should not be found in other sources, because in this first week that I learned, they're new people. For example, we shouldn't go to too many places. There will be many teachers, because there will be one. Every person who paints it will have a lot of ways to draw it. It also has a lot of uses, guys. Toolbar, so many people can use the toolbars. Especially the first 4 days. No one knows then or not use shortcuts. First 4 days without using the shortcut. Because if you know what you use, the people next to them call people. It's messed up. It won't remember. They're in a hurry. So over here are the toolbars. I will guide you now. Next, the second post. Learn about sticker software. Those are the toolbars. Here, when you open it, it's moving around like this, isn't it? That's it. It's sprawling out like this, isn't it? Up here, it will have bars. They're called things here. It's called this. It's called protein, or you call it a floating toolbar. The tools that tie the floating toolbars are included. Draw this line. Drawing rectangles, drawing circles. What's wrong with that eraser? There will be It's outside. It's inside. It's going to have sinking toolbars, so these are the shortcuts. That's it. Here are the floating toolbars. And inside are you. These are called sinking orders. Or, I can use it, but the first thing I get used to is getting them. A floating toolbar up here, look for easy where you click. For example, draw a line. Where do I click on the rectangle? Where to click straight, and later on, about the 4th day, I will guide you to use it. The shortcut is, when using keyboard shortcuts, it's going to accelerate 3 times faster. In comparison, you have to learn explosion keys like this. Well, some of you who do advertising here are probably shortcuts are familiar, right? Each software is other items, but it will be much faster than using these floating keys again. But first, I hit the shortcut. It would be a mistake. I don't know if you lose a shortcut, you don't know where to find it. If there's a shortcut, each user uses a type. Each one has a style. Maybe I can put it on my own later. Or there's a set principle. Here are the floating toolbars. Can you turn it off? You turn it off and rearrange it. Make it easy. You can keep your wallet here. It will have marks. This dot, you put the mouse right here and hold the left mouse down here. See, you can turn it off. Erase it all and rearrange it. What you need is sex, and what you don't need, it can be deleted. Now I'm going to show you how to arrange these toolbars. You can click on the build into or here. It's got some bars and some bars. You say, put the mouse up here. For example, you right-click me. You guys turn on this A toolbar is this That's this bar. And you hold the left mouse. You put it in here. That's so I can use it. You click again. Put the mouse up here. You right-click again. Give me another guy that is. This guy is so you can be wrong. I also have a mouse here. You can also leave this here. You can click the left mouse twice here. Or you can pick up the scissors, move at your will. I just turned these 2 on for you. It doesn't need to be turned on. Just turn those 2 bars on for me. There's only 2 BAs in the toolbar here. No need to learn anything. If you ever learn more, continue. I will guide you to continue. No, that's right. Every guy on the set. That's every guy. Turn this guy's nose up. After turning it on like this, you don't paint anything. You didn't draw anything. Turn it off for me. Is that it automatically communicates this interface. You turn it off, and now you open up because it only has toolbars. is displayed. This keeps turning off and on. Turn it off and on again and again, because the most obvious thing is to be here. There are some brothers who have never used it. You turned it off and you clicked Show, right? You just need to click the rows. And I installed the app. Every time it shows up, it'll write. There's a 5-ton set. Okay. Let's make it compact. Let's do it over and over again. Is okay? Here's how I can reinstall them.